Konglish words for your vocab bank. You already know these Korean words without even studying. Really? Are you sure? Yes. Let's go. Did you know that you already know some Korean words without even studying Korean? That's because Korean has borrowed many English words into their vocabulary. These words are called as Konglish words, a mix of Korean and English. As for an example, coffee becomes kopi and pizza becomes pizza. So in this video, I'll be showing you some of the easiest restaurant-related Korean words and other words that you already know. So let's get started. Food-related Konglish words in Korean. Kopi, coffee. Cola, cola. Juice, juice. Wine, wine. Pizza, pizza. Hamburger, hamburger. Salad, salad. Steak, steak. Pasta, pasta. Cheese, cheese. Chocolate, chocolate. Tableware and utensils. Fork, fork. Knife, knife. Cup, cup. Napkin, napkin. Restaurant-related words. Restaurant, restaurant. Buffet, buffet. Fast food, fast food. Bakery, bakery. Cafe, cafe. Food court, food court. Ordering and many words. Menu, menu. Set, set meal. Dessert, dessert. Service, service in restaurants means on the house or a free extra. Take out, take out. Technology and gadgets. Computer, computer. Smartphone, smartphone. Internet, internet. Email, email. transportation and places. 택시, taxi. 버스, bus. 호텔, hotel. 아파트, apartment. Entertainment and lifestyle. 드라마, drama. Music, music. 콘서트, concert. Game, game. Star, star, celebrating. Idol, idol. Sports and fitness. 테니스, tennis. 골프, golf. 헬스, health. What do you think control means in Korean? Comment down below your answer. Which word surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below.